Today, I'm going to show you how to use GOG Games in just a few simple steps so you can quickly find your installed titles and launch the game you want to play. This is a super easy walkthrough, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside GOG and how to start your game without any confusion. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG on your computer. Once the app loads, you'll land on the main interface where your library and game options are available. If you already have games installed, you don't need to search through everything manually. GOG makes it easy to access them from one place. Now look at the left-hand menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll see different sections for your library and your game collection. Click on Installed Games. This will filter your library so you only see the games that are already on your device and ready to play. This is especially useful if you have a large collection and don't want to scroll through every title you own. Once you're inside the installed game section, browse through the list and select the game you want to play. You can click on the game title or cover art to open its page. After that, look at the top menu area. You should see a play button at the top. This is the button you need to launch the game. Click play and GOG will start the selected game for you. Depending on the game, it may take a few seconds to load, especially if it needs to initialize settings or connect to any local game files. Just wait for it to finish launching and you'll be ready to play. If the game doesn't start right away, make sure it's fully installed and that you've selected the correct title from your installed games list. In most cases though, the process is very straightforward. Open GOG, go to installed games, choose your game and hit play, and that's it. You now know how to use GOG Games to launch your installed titles quickly and easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.